Have you ever found yourself struggling with something but felt too embarrassed to ask for help? For countless older adults, one of these silent struggles happens in the most private space, the bathroom, not because of illness or frailty, but because of something as basic and essential as wiping after using the toilet. It may seem like a small issue until it's not. Maybe your arms don't move the way they used to. Perhaps arthritis has stiffened your hands, or bending your back has become difficult. Over time, that simple daily task you once did without a second thought becomes frustrating. You pause, you strain, you worry, and slowly, a piece of your independence begins to slip away. Here's the truth. No one talks about this. But you're not alone. This is a common experience for older adults, just rarely discussed. And ignoring it can lead to skin irritation, infections, or even more serious health problems. But there's good news. You're watching Elderly Guidepost, where our goal is to help you live with more health, more confidence, and more independence each day. In this video, we'll walk through gentle, practical ways to make hygiene easier, especially after using the toilet. You'll learn about senior-friendly hygiene tools, softer and more effective alternatives to toilet paper, and expert advice to help you feel clean, comfortable, and in control again. And don't worry, we'll keep everything respectful, simple, and honest. From pre-moistened wipes to portable bidets, from helpful gadgets to daily routines, we'll explore options that work for you or someone you care for. But before we dive in, I ask for just one favor. If you've experienced this challenge or want to support someone who has, please like this video, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. Doing that helps YouTube recognize this as a topic worth discussing and helps us reach more people like you. So take a deep breath. You're not broken. You're not alone. You're just about to learn something that can make life easier. Starting now, let's begin with one simple truth. When toilet paper isn't enough, seniors deserve better. Understanding the problem. This isn't just about cleanliness. It's about confidence. As we age, even routine activities can quietly become more difficult. One of the most overlooked, properly cleaning yourself after using the bathroom. Many seniors face challenges with wiping, not because they're unclean, but because their bodies don't move the way they used to. Arthritis makes gripping hard. Stiff joints slow down bending or twisting. And for some, poor balance can make the task feel unsafe. What's the result? Some begin skipping social activities out of fear of odor. Others feel too embarrassed to ask for help. And that loss of privacy can feel heavy. But this isn't a sign of failure. It's a sign that better solutions are needed. And thankfully they exist. Why toilet paper isn't designed for seniors? While toilet paper has been the standard for generations, it wasn't designed with aging bodies in mind. Here's why it often falls short for older adults. It's rough on sensitive skin with repeated use. It may not clean thoroughly, which can cause irritation or infection. It requires reaching and coordination, which many seniors struggle with. If your knees hurt, your back aches, or you use a walker, wiping thoroughly may feel impossible. And when hygiene suffers, it opens a door to infections, rashes, or pressure sores. But the good news? Hygiene tools have come a long way. Let's explore senior-friendly options that make this daily task cleaner, easier, and more dignified. Pre-moistened wipes, gentle but effective. What they are: soft disposable wipes infused with a cleansing solution. Why they're helpful: they're more soothing than dry toilet paper and easy to manage for older hands. The science: these wipes use gentle surfactants, like baby shampoo, to lift away residue. Some even include aloe or vitamin E for added comfort. Things to know: most wipes, even those labeled flushable, can clog plumbing and aren't biodegradable. Best practice: keep a small trash can with a lid nearby and dispose of wipes there. Portable bidets: clean with water anywhere. What they are: small refillable spray bottles that rinse you clean with water. Why seniors love them: water cleans more thoroughly than dry wiping. They reduce irritation, especially for those with hemorrhoids or incontinence. How they work: fill with warm water, aim, and gently squeeze. Some have angled nozzles for easier use. Natural benefit: water gently removes bacteria without needing chemicals. Tips: Use filtered water if your tap is harsh. They're great at home or while traveling. Just keep one in your bag. Perry bottles. Simple and effective. What they are, originally made for postpartum care. These bottles are also perfect for seniors. Why they work. Lightweight, easy to squeeze, and ideal for limited mobility. Less intimidating than electronic bidets. How to use. Fill with warm water and spray gently. Easy, soothing, and reliable, especially for bedside use. Handheld bidets. Aim low and rinse gently after using the toilet. Pro tip. Keep one bidet bottle in the bathroom and another by the bed for nighttime use. Use warm, unscented water to avoid irritation. Be aware, it may need to be refilled during use and doesn't have a drying function, so keep a soft towel nearby. For long-term convenience, consider a built-in bidet attachment. Bidet attachments. These are nozzles attached to your toilet seat that spray water to clean. Why are they great for seniors? No bending, twisting, or wiping. Just press a button. You can even adjust the temperature, pressure, and spray direction. Scientifically, targeted water jets reduce bacteria spread, improve hygiene, and lower the risk of urinary infections. They're especially helpful for those with hemorrhoids or incontinence. Cost and installation. Expect to pay between $50 and $500 depending on features. Models with warm water or heated seats cost more but offer added comfort. Most fit standard U.S. toilets, but you may need a plumber for electric or warm water models. Downsides include a learning curve and higher upfront cost, but the benefits are long-lasting. Handheld shower heads. These removable sprayers allow full-body rinsing. Seniors often prefer them for thorough cleaning without wiping. Adjustable pressure makes them gentle on sensitive skin, and many have massage features for sore muscles. Downsides? You'll need to undress and shower, so it's more time-consuming. Not ideal for quick cleanups. Best for those managing incontinence or skin irritation. Reusable soft washcloths. Gentle, chemical-free, and eco-friendly. Just dampen with warm water, wipe, and toss in a bin until laundry day. Use hot water and mild detergent to clean them. Great for home use, but less practical for travel. Tip: white cloths make it easier to see when you're fully clean. Toilet tissue wands. These long-handled tools help you wipe without straining or needing assistance. Just attach a tissue or wipe, clean, then press a button to release it. They're great for people with limited mobility. Some models take getting used to and may not suit those with weak grip strength, but they're empowering for many. Final thoughts. Hygiene is more than staying clean. It's about preserving dignity. If you're facing challenges, know this. You're not alone and there's nothing wrong with you. Your body may have changed, but your dignity remains. With the right tools, you can take back control and stay clean, confident, and independent. Coming up next, we'll show you how to combine these tools with simple daily habits to make your bathroom routine smoother and safer. If any of this resonated with you, leave a comment with the word HOPE. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because at Elderly Guidepost, we're with you every step of the way. Small changes, big relief. Smart bathroom tips for older adults. Not every solution has to be costly or high-tech. Often, simple adjustments make the biggest difference. Start with stability. For many, the hardest part using the bathroom isn't hygiene, it's movement. Installing grab bars, toilet safety frames, or raised seats can reduce the risk of falls, which are the leading cause of injury in seniors. When you feel stable, you feel confident. And that helps you take your time and care for yourself fully. Raise your toilet seat. Adding a 4-inch riser to your toilet can make sitting and standing easier. Look for models with non-slip grips and appropriate weight limits. Many are adjustable and tool-free to install. Use a padded toilet seat. If you've ever felt numbness or pain from sitting too long, you're not alone. Hard plastic seats can create pressure points, especially for those with sciatica, arthritis, or low muscle mass. A soft cushion or memory foam seat can relieve pressure on your hips and tailbone, improve circulation, and make hygiene routines more comfortable. Stay seated while wiping. Many adults stand to wipe, but sitting is often easier and safer, especially as we age. It reduces strain, improves stability, and gives you better access without the risk of losing balance. Grab bars can help too. Try a torso binder. For those carrying extra weight around the middle, a soft, breathable torso binder can gently compress the abdomen, improving posture and range of motion. This makes it easier to reach during hygiene tasks. Just don't over-tighten. It should support, not squeeze. Consider showering after toileting. Especially helpful after bowel movements. A quick shower can clean more effectively than wipes, reduce skin irritation, and promote better hygiene. A handheld shower head with a pause button or a shower chair can make this much easier. For those with mobility concerns, a walk-in shower or transfer bench may help. Support your digestion. Good hygiene starts inside. Constipation can make cleanup harder and more uncomfortable. To improve digestion, eat fiber-rich foods like oats, berries, greens, drink plenty of water, unless advised otherwise, and move regularly. Fiber supplements can help too. Check with your doctor first. Take your time. There's no rush. Hurrying in the bathroom can lead to slips, poor hygiene, or injuries. Sit comfortably. Breathe. Use the tools that help you feel safe and supported. Your dignity lies in doing things with care, not speed. We believe that comfort matters. It's okay to do things differently than you did at 40. Whether it's using a padded seat, a bidet, or a grab bar, these aren't signs of weakness. They're signs of wisdom, and they show you're choosing ease and confidence over discomfort. Aging may bring changes, but that doesn't mean defeat. It's simply time to do things smarter and more gently. You're not alone, and there's nothing wrong with needing a little help. You deserve comfort and respect. This isn't the end of comfort. It's the beginning of a better way. Your body may be changing, but your worth never does. You're learning, adapting, and caring for yourself with grace. That's real strength. Whether you're here to learn, adjust, or just feel a little more supported. Thank you for being here. If this brought you clarity or comfort, consider subscribing and sharing with someone who might benefit. At Elderly Guidepost, we're here to walk beside you, one thoughtful tip at a time. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.